How do natural disasters affect the finances of pop-up drink stands? Natural disasters usually cause pop-up drink stands to lose money because they often have to close or repair damage. When a natural disaster like a hurricane or flood happens, pop-up drink stands face many problems that hurt their money. First, the stand might get damaged or destroyed, meaning the owner has to spend money fixing or replacing it. Second, the area where the stand operates may be unsafe or blocked, so customers cannot visit. This means no sales and no income during that time. Third, the ingredients and supplies for making drinks can spoil or get lost because of power outages or water damage, which adds to costs. Also, insurance might not cover everything, and paying for repairs out of pocket can be very expensive. Sometimes, these stands rely on daily sales to survive, so even a few days without business can create financial stress. What many people do not realize is that some owners can prepare by having emergency funds or backup supplies stored in safe places, but not all do this, so they end up struggling more after a disaster. A common mistake is underestimating how long recovery will take. Owners might think they will reopen quickly, but find it takes weeks or months to repair and restock, so planning only a few days of lost income is risky. Another misconception is assuming insurance covers all damages. Many policies exclude certain types of natural disasters or have high deductibles. It helps to carefully read insurance policies and ask about coverage limits. Lastly, some owners forget about customer safety and local regulations after a disaster, leading to fines or forced closures if their stand is not up to code. Staying informed about local rules and maintaining good communication with customers can prevent these issues. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.